Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to do a first impressions on the Nude by Nature highlighter stick in the shade Champagne. You can buy Nude by Nature on Debenhams. This is just a travel size one because it came in an advent calendar. So, as I said, it's a champagne colour highlighter. You do get a good amount of product considering this is only a travel size. But what I'm actually going to do is I'm actually going to rub it onto the back of my hand to warm it up. And then I'm going to take it on my finger and tap it onto my skin. I'm beginning to get the urge to just put it on my skin because I just feel like this is not working. It is there, but it's very sheer, like very. I can just see it here now. I don't know if you can see that. It's like right here, but it is very sheer. You can kind of, yeah, you can see it there now actually, but it's very, very sheer. Yeah, you can see it there now, but it's very sheer. There we go. And just blend it out, I'd say. Yeah. So it's a very natural highlighter. It kind of takes a while to build up. You know, as I always say, it's all about what you want out of a product. In the recent video Vogue did with Hilary Duff, she used a lot of Nude by Nature products. Or was that Nude Stick? I can't remember. I think it was Nude Stick actually. But, you know, it is there, it does work. But it's just a very sheer highlighter and it just comes down to what you want out of a product. So let me know if any of you guys use Nude by Nature products. That's what it looks like on the box. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know what you think of Nude by Nature. Thanks, guys.